It's my first time, and I really like people of China. I hope my director and my theater will be connecting with China. We really like to perform here, and it's so amazing to see people who speak different languages came together in one place and have a good time. And for me, it was like a really great experience.
Contemporary drama or classical drama, it's a bridge, and we are happy that we take part in this process. In the future, we as well planning to do special program which will present for Chinese audience Russian classical literature in drama.